Continue over the next class, the previous class. So what is the previous class? What is the previous class is a nothing but information gathering. Is the what? Information gathering. We'll continue the information gathering class, and after that information gathering, we'll start with the new module called as scanning. Okay. So for information gathering, I have one set of tools are there. There are so many tools are there. To know the information, we have a set of tools are there that is known as the OSINT framework. What is that? OSINT framework. Understood? What is that? OSINT framework. Okay. So what is the OSINT framework? OSINT framework focus on gathering information from tools or resources. The intention is to people to find the OSINT. OSINT. Understood? What is the OSINT? OSINT is known as Open Source Intelligence Framework. It is a structured approach to gather the information of the publicly resources. So when I type here OSINT framework, this is open. Now say this. There are multiple things are there. What are the thing you need to search? There is multiple options are there. One is the username. Second is the email address. Third one is the domain name. I want to search the username. See this. From the username, I want to gather the information. From the username, From the username. From the search engine, I want to set what these are the to check them. So where the username is there. From the specific sites, I want to check from the specific sites or username from the search engines. You can use this tool. Here, see this username search engines. You can suppose if we have a check usernames here. Okay. Here I just type here checkusernames.com. Okay. There are multiple tools are there. Where we can search your username, email address, domain name, IP address, images, instant messaging. So many options are there. You just go to this website. Very good website, this one. It's a very, very good website. Okay. This website, go to this website. Understand? So there are multiple, we can gather the information, like we can gather the IP address. See this when you click on this IP address. We have a how to find the geolocation of the IP address. These are the tools which will find out your geolocation. See this. Yeah, ip2location.com, IP location better. Multiple tools are there. Here multiple tools are there by using geolocation. So where from IP address we can know the geolocation. From the IP address we can know the host port discovery. These are the tools. Okay, I want to know the wireless network information. Okay, I want to know the wireless network information. I want to know the where the cell towers is there. Where the cell towers are there. Here I just go to the Visakhapatnam. When I type here, it shows where are the cell tower location. I am in this area. This is my location. This is nothing but a cell towers, where the cell towers are placed. Understood? So what is the tool here? OSINT framework. So you just go to this tool. There are multiple tools are there. Hundreds of tools are there. So by using these hundreds of tools, we can gather the information. So what is the website is there? OSINT framework. Okay, understood? So another thing is there. This OSINT framework is there. From the OSINT framework, we can gather the information by using these tools. There are multiple tools are there. Got it? Here training, malicious file enclosing, AI tools, dark web, terrorism, metadata. There are multiple tools are there. From this one, you can gather the information. Okay, here people search engine is there. When you click here, people search engine, here general people search engine. There are multiple websites are there. By using the website, we can search the information. Okay, information of the people, means people. There are multiple options. PQ. See this PQ. Okay, fast people search made here. Just I type the name here. I just name the here Bill Gates. When I type here, it will search. Okay, it will search the name. What is the website here? PQ. What is the PQ? PQ. All these are website or tools are there in the, we can search the telephone numbers. These are the multiple tools are there. Telephone numbers. How will you gather the telephone number? Who called it? Spy dialer, fan, phone validator, USB phone book, NumSpy. Here true caller. There are multiple options are there. Twilio lookup. Understood? There are multiple tools are there. You can find in the OSNT framework. You can go and search all these things. We can't do time waste only by explaining this tool. What is that? OSNT framework. Where I have hundreds of tools are there. From these hundreds of tools, by using the information gathering about the people, understood? About the people, and so other thing is there. Like I want to know the telephone number, I want to know the wireless access point, I want to know the cellular ID, cellular location point, I want to know the email search, I want to know the usernames. All this information comes from the OSNT framework. Understand? The next thing is there. What is the next thing is there? To know that whether your mail is safe or someone has data breach, means that someone has hacked you. Okay, whether your email is someone hacked the email or someone data breach is there, how will you know? For this one, I just go here, this website called I have VPON. What is that? So what is the website here? I have been pawned. Check if your email address has been exposed or not. Okay. So what is the website here? What is the website here? What is the website here? This is the website. I'll send to you. Okay. So this is the website where you can voice వినిపించట్లేదా? స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అయిందా? వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదా? ఎవరికి వినిపించట్లేదు? దుర్గారావు, మీ దాంట్లో ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి. ఇంటర్నెట్ సరిగ్గా ఉందా? అందరికి వినిపించట్లేదా? ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. అందరికి వినిపించట్లేదా? మీకు వినిపించట్లేదా? హలో, మీ దాంట్లో ఇంటర్నెట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది చూడండి, చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. హియర్ ఐ సెండ్ యూ దిస్. వై యూజ్ దిస్ వెబ్సైట్? వెదర్ దిస్ ఐ హ్యావ్ VPON, చెక్ if your email is data breach, ante someone is hacked your email or not. I am just typing my email here, email here, one email is there, so that is my email, this my email .com. check here there are 8 data breaches are there, mean that my password been exposed in the big basket. See this, in October 20, the Indian grocery platform Big Basket suffered a data breach that exposed over 20 million customers. So these are all the things. What are the exposed here? Date of birth, email address, IP address, names, password, phone number and physical addresses. And we have exposed PDL company in October 2019, Ixigo in 2019. So where my email is been accessed by someone else by using this website. Understood? In LinkedIn also, my website. LinkedIn also, my password been, my email been exposed. Understood? Here how many website, how many web applications had data breach? Okay, you're having a data breach. Your database is exposed, means you hacked someone else. So how many times did I? 8. I just here I'll go to another website. Here, Telugu hacker. Another email. Another email. I'm typing another email. Free. I checked it here. There is no data breach is there. This email is not accessed by anyone. Understood? Which website? I sent to you. వచ్చిందా అదే? వచ్చిందా రాలేదా? వచ్చిందా రాలేదా నాన్న? చూడండి.
Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Audit.
వచ్చిందా? వచ్చిందా రాలేదా? దేనికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు ఈమెయిల్? వై యూజ్ this one, this website use, why use this website? Why use this website? To know whether the email is in a data breach. Got it? Okay? ఓకేనా? అర్థమైందమ్మా? శేషు understood? What are the things are there? There are multiple tools are there. Use this OS ready framework also. So where all a bunch of hundreds of footprinting information gathering tools are there. We can gather the information by using these tools. So what is this? OS ready framework. Okay, here having a dark web is there. Under the dark web we have multiple things are there. We have AI tools. So we have a chat GPT. See this. WOM GPT. And want to know the documentation, training, I want to know the training. All this information can gather using the OSINT framework. So another tool is there, I have been found. Okay, understood? Okay na? Any doubt? So నేను చెప్పాను నా ఛానల్ ఫాలో అవ్వమని చెప్పాను. ఎవరు ఫాలో అవ్వాలా? I just sent to you again. Please subscribe this one. Okay? Understood? So very few people have subscribed, like 10-20 people. Okay, where your classes are there in YouTube. Your classes are there in YouTube. This APSSDC means this internship classes are there in the this channel. Okay, Cyber Cloud. Please go through and try to do subscribe. Got it? The next tool, we use the Kali Linux. I'm just go to the VMware workstation. I'm switching to the Kali Linux. Okay. So where we can learn the all information gathering. So meanwhile, any doubt is there, please ask me. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Any doubt from your side? Today's we'll go for the again. We have another tools are there. We're going to use these tools on top of the what Kali Linux. Okay, do the information gathering. Okay. Any doubt? I think my voice is visible, audible or not? We are not getting any response from your side. Sheshi, you are doing. What is the problem with you? What is the cat problem? I'll just explain now. You think you had entered the wrong command. Why it is not working, I don't know that. It perfectly works. Any Linux it works, not Kali Linux. Okay. So please click on this link. I send a link to all of you. Around 200 people are there. Do subscribe. All classes are there in this one. Every day class I will upload in this one. If anyone is finding difficulty downloading the Gmail drive, I send a Gmail drive every day. It is find too difficulty to download Gmail drive, no need to hear. Okay, so you just click on this one and watch your classes. Understood? So here explain a cat command, a simple command. Still you are not understand. Here I'm just logging into the Kali. Okay, I just log into the Kali Linux here. Here I just go to the Kali Linux here. Here go to the how will you access the Kali Linux? Just right click here, click on the open terminal. Click on the open terminal. Here to zoom here, press Ctrl++. Here sudo su. Okay, I log into the Kali. Someone asked me how to create a cat command. How it is not working? Cat greater than sheshu to create a file. To create a file. Here I just entering the data here. This is Javed. This is Javed. Okay. To save and exit, I told you that Control D. Control D. Here see here cat sheshu. Now okay. I want to edit here. Cat double greater than sheshu. To edit here double greater than sheshu. Again adding the another line. This is second line. Adding another line. Okay. Again to save and exit. To save and exit, press Ctrl D. Okay? Understand, Sheshu? Still not understand? I just unmute you. What is the problem? Please discuss me. మీరు ఏ రాంగ్ చేశారు? మీరు ఏ రాంగ్ చేశారు అంటున్నాను. శేషు మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అయ్యారా? ఏ రాంగ్ చేశారు మీరు? మార్నింగ్ రాని ఏ రెస్పాండ్ చేశారు చెప్పండి. మార్నింగ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవరు? దుర్గా. అవును, పొద్దున ఏం లేవు కదా. 11 12 11:30 వరకు అది 50% అయిపోయింది. 6 to 7 కొంచెం వెయిట్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది. వెయిట్ చేయాలి. అదే 4 to 5 క్లాస్ ఉంది నాకు. AWS DevOps ఇంకా అవ్వలేదు. ఇంకా 3-4 క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. 6 to 7 6 to 7 DevOps ఉంది. అది కూడా 15 రోజులు 20 రోజులు అయిపోతుంది. వెయిట్ చేయాలి. 7 to 8 కావాలంటే రమ్మని ఆడు. ఇంకో వాడు కూడా ఇది కూడా క్లాస్ ఉంది. రాలేదు, 2 రోజుల నుంచి రాలేదు తను. ఓకే. హలో చూడండి మా కాలేజ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఈ కమాండ్స్ మీకు నేను టెర్మక్స్లో కూడా పనిచేస్తాను చెప్పాను. యూజ్ చేస్తాను రా టెర్మక్స్ని లేదా? హియర్ one command is there that is called sublist. Is that sublist? Is that one tool is there to know the information gathering? What is the tool here? Called sublist 3R. That sublist 3R. So here what does it do? See this is a tool sublist 3R. So this is the sublist 3R is a Python tool designed to enumerate the subdomains of the website. Subdomains of the website using the OSINT. What is the OSINT? Open source intelligence. What is the OSINT? Open source init. Here it helps penetration testers and bug hunter to collect the subdomains of the targeting. What is the subdomain? Any having idea? I'll explain you. Okay, I will explain what is the subdomain. Suppose, see this. Suppose, what is the domain here? Here see this www.google.com. Google.com. Okay, this is the website. So this google.com, Google is known as the main domain. Is the main domain. Okay, this is the main domain. In the Google again having a subdomains like Gmail, like having a Gmail. Google Meet. Got it? Google Meet. Google Drive. That Google Drive. Or that Google Drive. Like that. These are the what? Subdomains. Under the Google have another subdomains are there. Okay. If you see here in my website, just observe this link. I'm sending the same link where we have మీరు ఏదైతే link join అయ్యారో observe this link. Here see this, what is this? meet.google.com. This is the main domain. Under the main domain have another subdomain, nothing but where the Google Meet application is there in the subdomain, which is accessible in subdomain. How will you access the website or web application by using the domain name? Here the Google is the what? Is the what? Is the main domain. So Meet is there, subdomain. Understand? Here another, go to the another example, show the another example. See this. Okay. Here I just click on the Gmail. Click on the Gmail. When I click on Drive here, see this. drive.google.com. What is it? Google is the main domain, Drive is a subdomain. Drive is a subdomain. Understood? So here sometimes, okay, yes, okay, sometimes hackers, what does do hacker? They will do the hacking on the main domain, in the main domain, Google. If they don't find any vulnerabilities, they don't find any loopholes on the main domain, they will search for the subdomain. Understand? They will search for that subdomain. Sometimes subdomain also maybe having a vulnerabilities. Got it? Maybe having a vulnerabilities. Understood? Okay na? Understood or not? Okay. Got it? Here, what does this do? What does this tool do? Okay. This tool will have enumerate the subdomain. What are the subdomains are there in the domain? I want to know what are the subdomains or main domains. Subdomains, I need to find out the subdomains in the main domain. Got it? What is the tool is there? Sublist 3R. Tool is there? Sublist 3R. Here to download, run this one, I just open a Kali Linux here. Here, see this. What is the website name here? I'll send this link. In this one, to installation here, you just need to copy here. Okay, just copy here and paste here and paste here. Okay. After that, this tool is downloaded here. Okay. See this. Whether the tool is downloaded or not, just click on the LS. Click on the LS. Understood? So now I downloaded. The tool name. What is the sublist? This is the see this is the thing. Just go to the folder where we downloaded the website. Sublist 3R. Okay. So I am in the which folder? This folder. Okay. So now first we need to install the Python. So Python was already installed on the Kali Linux. We don't need to install on the Kali Linux. Okay. If anything is there, I want to install the Python, please use this command. So everything is there. Here, type here, paste selection. Okay. I'm installing the Python installer. Okay. Understood? Okay na? What is that error is there? Why you got this error? Why this? Okay. This one. We'll run this command. What is the problem then? To install Python, try apt install Python. Okay. Why are you getting error? 3.4x. So we are going to install the Python here. So what is the version we need? 3.4x. 3. Here I added install the Python. Use Control D to exit. To know the subdomains, here these are the commands to install the what? Python. Here to know the subdomains, to list the here to know the help. I want to know the help here. Here just type a sublist dot. We need to execute this command. Execute this command. Okay, these are the help to run helps to know domain name, to do the brute force, to do the ports. So what is the list here? Sublist py h mean that help. I want to know the help. I want to know the help of this command. So these are help of this command. What is that? Python sublist.py. I want to enumerate the domain. I want to denominate the domain, like this command is there. What are the domains, subdomains of the what are the I want to know the domains of the subdomains of the Google, Yahoo and VirusTotal. So D means domain. D means domain. D means domain. I just go here. Just go here. 1 minute. I just run this command. What is the command here? I want to know the subdomains. I want to know the subdomains of DataPro. Okay, of DataPro. Okay. So what is this command here? See this. What is the command here? Sublist -e. What does mean e here? Here. What is my e here? Specify the domain. What is my d here? Domain name to eliminate. I want to know the subdomains by using the command here d. So you got it, this one? Python sublist or py.e Google Yahoo, from the Google Yahoo. I want to know the subdomains of DataPro. Okay. Here, 1 minute. I think he is not installed here. ls. Okay. నాట్ ఎన్యూమరేటింగ్. సో ఇది ఏం చేస్తుంది, datapro.in అనే ఒక డొమైన్ ఉంది, datapro అనే డొమైన్ ఉంది. ఆ datapro కి ఏమైనా సబ్ డొమైన్స్ ఉన్నాయా? ఓకే, దేంట్లో, గూగుల్లో, యాహూలో, అరిస్టోటల్లో, చెప్పండి దేంట్లో యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. Having error is there. 1 minute. It's not find any domain. Why it is? Huh? Here see this enumerated. See this, I just type a command, sublister command, this command. You just go to this website where examples are there. This command, what is this command? This command, I want to attack in a particular domain. If you don't find any vulnerabilities, through subdomain I am going to attack. I want to know the subdomains. So these are the subdomains of the datapro. See this, these are the subdomains of the datapro. So like these are the subdomains of the datapro. Okay. So these are the datapro in .in, cert, these are the subdomains of the datapro. So what is this command? This command shows the what? Subdomains. Why you need to enumerate the subdomains? Because if you don't find, instead of attacking on the main domain, we are going to attack on the subdomain. Understood? Maybe having some errors are there, they'll little bit confused, but thing is there, you have this website is there. So this website, go to this website, their installation steps are there, and also we have a how to run this command. Okay. So because of due to some Python compatibility issues, it is not perfectly not working by that. At last I got the output. Okay. See this. I'll just send this link. Okay. To know the subdomains. Why you do the subdomain enumeration? So because instead of enumerating or attacking on the main domain, we are going to attack on the what? Subdomain. Okay. Subdomain. Understood? Here there are multiple footprinting tools. Sir, one is the who is. What is that? Who is? What is that? Who is? Here, who is? Just go here. What is the tool here? Who is also know the information gathering tool. So what is the purpose of the information gathering tool? It gather domain registration information, owner and contact name. What is the who is tool? Show the domain registration name or owner name, all these things. Just go to the who is, and I'll just type here Facebook. When I type this one, this shows the all information of the Facebook. Here, this is the domain name, this is the URL of Facebook, this is the email ID, and these are the naming server addresses, registrar name, address. Understood? Which tool? Which tool? Who is? That is already inbuilt with your Kali Linux. We don't need to install the who is tool. Understand? And next thing is there. I want to know this one I had explained you, sublist. This one just now explain you. What is that? What is this? Sublist 3R followed by the domain name. Followed by the domain name. I want to enumerate the domain here, google.com. Google.com. So we find out the enumerate the Google. What are the subdomains are there? What are the subdomains are there? Here I just show here. So now searching here in the Google, it enumerate, show the what are the subdomains of the Google. What are the subdomains? So these are the subdomains of the Google here. So many subdomains here. What are these? Google.com, accounts.google.com, answers.google.com. See this mtv. So many subdomains are there. So many subdomains are there. Okay, these are the what? Subdomains of the Google. What is the command you use? Sublister. This one I explained you. Which one? Sublister. Another tool is there, the harvester. What is that? Another tool is there, harvester. The harvester. Okay, the harvester. So what is this harvester? So harvester tool, this harvester tool. So what is this harvester tool? The harvester is simple to use, powerful tool designed, used for the reconnaissance stage of red team assessment or penetration testing. It performs the open source intelligence gathering to help determine the domain's external name threat landscape. It gathers the information like names, emails, IP addresses, subdomains and URL from the multiple public resources. Which tool? The harvester. Okay. So this harvester tool is there, already installed in your Kali Linux. You don't need to install this harvester. Understood? What is the tool is there? The harvester. See this? What is this one? The harvester. So this is already installed there. The harvester, I'll show you this. What is the harvester help in there? When I type this harvester command, it shows the enumerate the what are the information of the target. So target IP address, what are the things? Target name, target email, target subdomain, target URL, multiple public resources on the using this tool. What is that? The harvester. Understood? The harvester tool. So just wait for this one, whether it will take time. Maybe sometimes you'll get error also. Okay? So this is the command to enumerate the all information of the my website, my company website is the Data Pro. Understood? Till now any doubt here? Somewhere had confusing, but if you practice very easily. I told you to practice on the Termex also. Whether you install the Termex or not, you can do the Termex also. Termex install చేసుకున్నారా? చేయలేదా? Here, see this, how to install the Termex. I told you that previous day also. Any doubt? The harvester tool. The harvester tool works. The harvester, it will search all the proxies, then it show the all websites, show the information gathering. Okay, information gathering. The information gathering of the website. Okay. అర్థమైందా? అర్థమైందా లేదా? How many people are subscribed? All videos are there in my thing. ఎలా కనుక్కుంటారు? మన కంప్యూటర్ హ్యాక్, మన ఈమెయిల్ హ్యాక్ అయింది ఎలా కనుక్కుంటారు? చూడండి, ప్లే స్టోర్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తాం చూడండి. ఐఎమ్ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ ద టర్మాక్స్. Those doesn't have a Kali Linux. Just here in Play Store. So we need to type what? Termex. We need to put the Termex here. We need to install the Termex. Still not installed. Here from the Play Store, we need to install the Termex. Okay na? Understood? Understood or not? Not understood. Here see this, it enumerating. It enumerating the one command is called the harvester. The harvester. The harvester is a tool which will enumerate or footprint the all information. Trying to do the enumeration. Wait. Here how to install the Termex? If you don't have a laptop, go to the Play Store. Here I am just logging here. 1 minute. taking time to enumerate. Meanwhile here I am installing Termex on the mobile phone. You can run these commands on the top of the this one your Termex also. You can run these commands. Okay? I am asking you a question that how to know that your email is hacked or not. How will you know that? Email hack in the like ela konukuntaru. How will you know? How will you know? How will you know? How to check whether your email is safe or not? ఎలా చెక్ చేస్తారు? ఈ మీ ఈమెయిల్ హ్యాకర్ చేతులు పడిందో లేదనా సేఫా లేదని ఎలా కొనుక్కుంటారు? ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? విన్నారా అసలు? రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి నాకు. ఎలా కనుక్కుంటారు? ఎలా కనుక్కుంటారు? మీ మెయిల్ ఉంది కదా, మెయిల్లో డేటా బ్రీచ్ జరిగింది ఎలా కనుక్కుంటారు? ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? ఐ హ్యావ్ బీ పాండ్ అని కమాండ్ టూల్ చెప్పానా? గుర్తుందా? ఐ హ్యావ్ బీ పాండ్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తారు? అది చూడండి, ఇక్కడ టెర్మెక్స్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తుంది చూడండి. మొబైల్ ఫోన్లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తుంది టెర్మర్స్. Any doubt? Here now see this enumerated. Got it? Now enumerated. So this is the command. It shows the all information. What is the information regarding what is the information? URLs and IP addresses, emails and the emails, everything. Got it? Which tool? The harvester. Okay na? అర్థమైందా? Why are not getting any response from your side? I want to ask you a question. The Sarath Kumar, how will you know that your email is hacked? Someone all not email hacking the లేదని ఎలా కొనుక్కుంటారో చెప్పగలుగుతారా? శరత్ కుమార్, రాంబాబు, దుర్గా, భరత్ టైప్ చేయండి నాకు. ఎలా కనుక్కుంటారు? మీ మెయిల్ని చెక్ చేశారా వెదర్ సేఫ్ ఆర్ నాట్? విత్ సమ్మన్ ఎల్స్ యాక్సెస్డ్ దట్ వన్. హౌ విల్ యూ నో దట్? ఏం చెప్పాను? విచ్ వెబ్సైట్? విచ్ వెబ్సైట్? విచ్ వెబ్సైట్? ఏం చెప్పాను? ఏ వెబ్సైటు? దేనికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిన లింక్ దేనికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు? వై యూజ్ దిస్ వన్? See this, I use the harvester. Understood? There are other information gathering tool is there. What is the other information gathering tool? Is WhatWeb. What is that? WhatWeb. There is another tool is there, that is called WhatWeb. Okay, I am telling checking this. One tool, there is an inbuilt tool. I want to know this tool to know the information gathering. So WhatWeb followed with the domain name. I am giving one domain name. So it's showing the error. 1 minute. Do the footprinting on this website. Okay, do the footprinting on the website. See this is the website. This is the web server is the Apache, and this is the cookies, country, and the web server name, session ID, IP address. Shows all the thing related this website. Understood? So what is the tool here? WhatWeb. What is the tool here? WhatWeb. Got it? Which tool? WhatWeb. So far I had explained what are the tools are there. So many tools I'll explain. So what are the so far I had explained the tools. What are the tools? So far what are the tools I had explained? చెప్పగలుగుతారు నాకు? The first thing I had explained you, the first thing is what? IP logger. What is the first tool I had explained? IP logger. And what is the next thing here? Grabify. And the third tool we had explained the canary tokens. And bunch of tools that is called as a vaporizer. Another tool is there, Vapalizer. So another tool is there. After Vapalizer, I had explained who is. So another tool is Netcraft. Another tool is the Netcraft. Another tool is Publish 3R. Another tool is the Harvester. The Harvester. Another tool is I have bee pond. And bunch of tools are there. OSINET framework. Now I had explained what's web. Okay? Understood? Ardhavayinda? These are the tools to know the information gathering. Information gathering. And also explain the Google Docs. This much of tools I had explained in 2 days. Nearly 3 hours class I had taken. Okay na? These are the tools I explained. All the tools are explained clearly in the, I had explained clearly in the, my video also I sent to you. Those people don't want to download because of the data issue. I send a link to you regarding my my YouTube channel. Do follow me in Japan. Okay na? Okay, understood or not? These are the tools I had explained. So many tools I had explained. Okay, so this I had installed my mobile and Termax here. Termax. చూడండి టెర్మక్స్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశాను నేను ఫోన్లోది. ఫోన్లో అన్న ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయమని చెప్పాను కదా. జిట్లోని ఏ కమాండ్స్ అని ఇక్కడ చూడండి. Here termux I type here ls. Here another command is ls minus la. All commands are work. I want to create a directory here mkdir javed. Okay. So here check the java directory create. To know the command here cat greater than javed, I want to create a file. Okay, this is file. Now working this. See this. How many people are practiced? How many people